Welcome to Isle of Vibe. My name's Sunny.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're at Rockbird in Glendale.
Yep. I'm ready for some chicken.
So this spot's known for chicken. But to mention out here, so 2019's here, right? So we're dropping the whole comparison of Howlin' Rays. 2018, yeah. Howlin' Rays was top of the game. They won it.
They're gonna be there.
They're done. We're not gonna compare any more chicken spots. We're gonna let them feed out on their own and then see where they come up. We're gonna start a chicken scale, right? So 2019, Rockbird on top right now, yeah. #1. This is the first chicken spot we hit up.
So I wonder if they can hold their own for the rest of the year, because this is like what, 360 more, not 349 more days. I know you're not good at math, Tim, but it's okay, man.
But yeah, so we're gonna come check the spot out for you. The food looks bomb. Come check it out with us.
Peace.
So we're here at Rockbird in Glendale, and I know you guys are gonna be like, "Oh, it's another chicken spot," but so
it's not just.
So like chicken sandwich has been on the rise for like since last year, in 2019 now.
Yeah.
But yeah, so they've been on the rise. So we just happen to be by the area and check this spot out, and let's see what they got.
Yeah. I think someone else came here too, right, Ashley?
Yeah, Ashley. So Ashley actually recommended the spot to us. We just recently got around to come checking it out.
Yeah. So
but
new year, new us, you know?
Exactly, right? But we got a few things, because they're also known for their chicken. So we got their chicken. I got the mac and cheese.
Yeah. And
we also got fried Brussels sprouts.
Fried Brussels sprouts. Now the chicken is great because they use Cornish hens, which if you've ever had them, perfect little mini chickens. Cut them in half and serve them like that. So enough for one. That mac and cheese though, looks fire. And I'm actually ready to try it out.
We also got we got chicken sandwich as well.
So we got the Baja. They asked if I like spicy. I told them yeah for some reason. So we went with the Baja. I don't think it's gonna be too spicy, but I'm ready to dig in.
Yeah, me too. So we were inside, but it's super like noisy. All right, for a chicken joint that's like fast food, Bar None's got the best mac and cheese, dude. Their mac and cheese flavors on point. And I also got garlic aioli sauce that you can dip with your chicken, your Cornish hen. So looks juicy. Let's see what it is.
Crinkle comes on top of that mac and cheese. Gives it a nice little crunch texture to it.
Simple seasoning. The chicken's really tender.
It's like El Pollo Loco on crack.
Yeah. It's not too greasy, it's good. And they got hibiscus tea. It's good. This one's really good.
Yeah.
It's right here.
And they have tamarind, and if you're around Glendale, I definitely would say stop at this place. You won't be mad.
Yeah, their mac and cheese. The Brussels sprouts are good, so they already submerge it in the balsamic vinegar, so it's already on point. It's good. More that mac and cheese though.
Well, you gotta try this burger.
All I wanted was the mac and cheese.
He put it down to pick it back up.
All right. This thing's seasoned really well. You got spicy, so it's at that spice level where it's like, all right, this is good, but you can kind of still get that little kick. I'm not giving this one back. It's like a Mark Wiens moment. Oh.
Should I do it?
Yeah. Oh, it's so delicious. Thanks for joining us. We're gonna leave all the information of this spot in the descriptions down below. Make sure you come check this place out.
Yep. And hit the subscribe button.
And if you have any other spots you want us to check out, you go ahead and leave it in the comments down below, and we'll go check it out for you.
Yep.
And we'll give you our thoughts. Come hungry for sure. And then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you get more videos just like this one. And most of all, share this with your family and friends.
They'll love it.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.